Alright, I don't know if the microphone will pick it up. If you hear that at all, that's really strong wind. I'm trying to fish out here. I'm not gonna make a video about fishing. I haven't caught anything yet either. But these gusts are strong. Retying my bait because I didn't want to lose my line because it looked like I had a couple weak points in it, so I cut it off and retied it. Didn't take too long. But man, this is some strong wind. It's like 90. This wind's nice. It cools me down, but I think I've heard either the people who are cutting down the trees, a tree fell, or branches fell. One of them. But this morning it stormed, and now it's just so clear. That's where the storm went. So, anyway, see you later.